Here we see the massive steel coil unwound. This blanking line, critical for the Toyota Hilux Revo,
The synchronization cell transfers the formed fender panel at a precise vice rhythm. Tandem press completing multi-stage forming of pickup bed side panel through progressive dies. Panel advances through 5 stations, gaining definition at each stage. The coordinate measuring machine utilizes a precision touch probe to verify dimensional accuracy, recording measurements to the nearest 1/100th of a millimeter.
The completed ladder frame enters the automated PVC undercoating spray booth. Here, multiple nozzles apply a thick,
The precision rollers of the hemming machine progressively bend the metal, creating a perfect weather-tight seal along the roof panel.
wide crane shot descending to show 3 robots simultaneously painting the Hilux from different angles in perfect choreography. The front robot paints The Hilux enters the final paint baking oven for its 30-minute cure cycle at 140 degrees Celsius, achieving maximum durability and gloss.
Lower it gently, watch the alignment,
Clear on this side.
and locked. Perfect.
Across 24 synchronized workstations, we transform the bare aluminum block into the complete power plant.
Okay, bring it up slowly. A little to the left, watch the perch. We're almost there, looks good.
This stainless steel assembly routes from the turbo diesel engine back to the tailpipe, designed for a perfect fit. Securing the copper-nickel brake lines with clips along the Hilux frame is critical for safety and performance. Modular assembly approach, reducing mainline installation time.
Keep it steady, watch the alignment pin.
I see it. It's sliding in smoothly.
Okay, locked in place.
Ensuring proper tightness is critical. The torque limiting tool is set to 45 millimeters, guaranteeing the steering column spline is securely fastened.
Watch the sensor alignment. Easy now.
It's seated.
Looks good. Torque them up.
NOx levels are stabilizing well below the threshold.
Power output is consistent at 150 kilowatts. We have a pass.
Accelerating rapidly from 80 kilometers per hour, the ABS system ensures stability and control on the wet surface.
The diagnostic computer runs a comprehensive scan, checking over 50 control modules for fault codes. To ensure safety and legal compliance, the technician adjusts the beam pattern, ensuring proper light distribution without blinding oncoming traffic.
Wiring harness secure, fluids topped off. Check.
Agreed. Panel gap tolerance is within spec.
This is the heart of the Hilux, a testament to world-class manufacturing, ensuring legendary durability in every vehicle we build here.